Welcome live for class 4th. Hello dear students. Today we shall start lesson 5, Love with Nature and Environment, in which we shall know about pollution, its types and the important days we celebrate to create awareness about our environment. Dear children, as you know that environment means our surroundings. But why is it getting dirty? Pollution, and pollution. And pollution happens when our natural environment is contaminated or dirtied. Pollution means to make the environment dirty. We humans make it dirty by doing different activities, and we are adding unwanted substances into the environment that can damage our earth. Mainly, there are 4 types of pollution. Contamination of air is air pollution. Contamination of water is water pollution. And when the land is contaminated, it is called land pollution. And children, there is one more type of pollution. That is the pollution of unwanted sounds, which is called noise pollution. Children, when the earth, air, water are being polluted day by day, then the need of celebrating the World Environment Day is felt. Pollution has many adverse effects. Every year, World Environment Day is observed on June 5th. This day is celebrated to encourage awareness and environmental protection. World Environment Day reminds us that we should love our nature. Dear students, the Water Day is celebrated on 22nd March every year. Its purpose is to encourage awareness to save the water as well as to save it from being polluted. Dear children, in the same way, Earth Day is celebrated on 22nd of April every year. This day is celebrated to aware the people about the various issues that are responsible for Earth's destruction. Its main purpose is to encourage people to take care of our Mother Earth. And now it's your homework time. In homework, you have to do the following questions in your notebooks in beautiful handwriting. Keep learning. Thank you.